Utah Gun Exchange, the nation's patriot marketplace.
This is 2018 Utah Gun Exchange SHOT Show coverage. We are outside the Hudson manufacturing booth. Let's take a look at what pistols they've got for us this year.
The H9 is the flagship that we released last year.
Okay.
This week actually, we've announced the H9A. They're not shipping yet, we're not getting a date, we're working on it, but we're still working on getting basically sustainability on being able to fulfill orders in more timely manner on the H9.
Right.
It's a great problem to have when people want more than you're able to make.
Exactly, you
Takes a
know,
lot of attention.
first world problems and all.
So major differences, the first two that everybody's going to care about, the H9A is a half a pound lighter,
Okay.
quarter kilo for these many Canadians that seem to be walking around here, and $200 less on MSRP. So
Wow.
as opposed to $1147, it's $947.
Everyone likes to save a buck.
Right? Feature set difference, where the H9 has the Trijicon HD front with fiber optic.
Yep.
Went with a little bit simpler cuts for machine time on the slides.
Very good.
Major thing is the aluminum grip body versus the steel grip body.
Okay.
So they use the same serialized steel insert. They actually have about 85% parts commonality, and everything is completely interchangeable between the two. All internals are the same. Another way we're able to get it down before the consumer was, instead of VZ G10 grips, G10 lower back strap, and steel upper back strap, we can go with a polymer grip panels, lower back strap, and upper back strap.
Great. What other calibers? All 9mm. Fantastic.
Yeah.
Have any plans to do 45s or something?
Buy enough 9mm and we'll make whatever you
You'll
want.
make whatever you want. Well, then I guess I'll get everyone I know to buy some 9mm and get you guys to make a 10.
There you go. I'd love to do it, too.
Fantastic. Appreciate your time today.
Thank you for watching the video. Please like and subscribe, and go to UtahGunExchange.com for all of your Patriot gear needs.
To all those in Second Amendment deprived states, if you're reading this, you are the resistance, and we are with you. The nation's patriot marketplace. Buy, sell, trade. UtahGunExchange.com.